Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Alpha Anthony, always bringing you the best tips from an alpha male about cooking and bettering your lifestyle, no matter what gender or who you are. Today, you'll be cooking with me, and we'll be making some tortilla chips from tortillas. We'll olive oil them, spice them up, and stick them in the oven. So let's get to cooking. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up the tortillas. I just put them all together, do a little chopping motion. They cut up nicely like that. And then put them back together. I'm gonna do them like another one. And then I'm even go even smaller than this. One more arrangement like that. And then other way, one more arrangement like that. So everything's cut up. And then now we're just gonna drop them in the olive oil like that. Don't want to do too much. And then we're going to end up putting them on here. And drop them, put them on, and then we're going to season too. So after we put them on, we're going to end up seasoning. And it don't really matter how you do it like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a few on. And I'm going to end up arranging them like this to kind of counteract themselves so I can fit more. And what we're going to do is put some chili pepper on there. We're going to mix them all together again. Some cayenne, get it spicy. I'm going to like cooking with that. And then salt and pepper. And we'll keep going. We're going to mix those with these ones. Mix them all on top of each other, really. And then whatever I have left over, I'll make some more later. It makes quite a bit. And they're going to firm up really well. That's good. And then when we cook it, it's going to be 400 for 6 minutes. It's going to be the last one here. Now, we'll spice everything up pretty liberally. But then we're still going to mix it up, so you don't want to do too much. I just do one side. I'm going to mix it on the other side. Now, I'm just going to slide some of these on each other's, especially the ones that don't have a lot of the sauce, and then the olive oil. You don't want to get them on each other's. Flip them all over too. Get both sides. You don't want to have one that's super too spicy or too spiced up. You just kind of hit them all. And then once they all have a good little tint to them on both sides, don't have to be perfect. We're about to put them in. So to me, this looks good. And then the olive oil is going to make them not stick or burn and all that. So you want to get it on everything in some fashion. So we're going to cook it and we'll come back to the finished product. So the final product was success. I wanted to thank you for joining me. Of course, we made some homemade tortilla chips. I got a little salsa I made to put on the side. And this thing is amazing. Yeah, nice and crunchy. Perfect tortilla chips. Better than you get anywhere else in the restaurant or anything. So I'm gonna keep bringing this content. It's Alpha Anthony. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be coming with more cooking material, but also content for in the future. Look out for relationship content and things about just being alpha and owning your masculinity and showing that a straight male can be high value in their masculinity and be loved.